Hello guys, hope you're well. Today's topic is what is Bitcoin and Bitcoin update price today's. So let's start it to the video. First of all, what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin, its meaning BTC, is a cryptocurrency, a virtual currency designed to act as a money and a form of payment outside the control of any one person, group, or entity, and thus removing the need for third-party involvement in financial transactions. It is rewarded to blockchain miners for the work done to verify transactions and can be purchased on several exchanges. Bitcoin was introduced to the public in 2009 by an anonymous developer or group of developers using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. It has since become the most well-known cryptocurrency in the world. Its popularity has inspired the development of many other cryptocurrencies. Those competitors either attempt to replace it as a payment system or are used as utility or security tokens in other blockchains and emerging financial technologies. Learn more about the cryptocurrency that started it all, this history behind it, how it works, how to get it, and how it can be used for. So now let's see today's update price Bitcoin in BDT. So here is the convert Bitcoin to Bangladeshi Taka. You can see 1 BTC equal 20 lakhs 92,390 BDT. So here is more BTC price to convert Bangladeshi Taka, and this is convert Bangladeshi Taka to Bitcoin. They have 1 BTC, 1 BDT. It's equal BTC is 0.0000477,923. So this is the calculation. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in the next video.